Hello everyone. In the today's session, we are going to cover the detailed summary of the work written by Arundhati Roy, the great social and political activist, Indian origin, the best author known for his work, The God of Small Things, and it is her debut novel and Man Booker Prize winner for the fiction. So let's start the detailed summary of the work. She is Arundhati Roy, known for her work God of Small Things, born 24th of November 1961. She is an Indian author. The God of Small Thing. The God of Small Thing, Arundhati Roy's debut novel, written in between 1992 to 1996 in Delhi, published 1997, setting place the town of Aymanam in the Kerala. Arundhati Roy was influenced from Salman Rushdie. The Booker Prize novel, 1997. The focus on the how small things affects whole life. So genre fiction and it is a family drama. Criticized a lot because of sexual content. The story moves around 1969, then jumps to the 1993. The mostly story is from the 1969 period. It is a story about the childhood experiences of the fraternal twins, whose lives are destroyed by the love laws that lay down who should be loved and how much. Here the story starts from 1969 in the Aymanam in the Kerala of a wealthy Christian family. The story is about the two fraternal twins, Esther and Rahel. Esther is the brother and Rahel sister, aged 7 years, and her mother name is Ammu. Ammu's mother name is Mamachi and brother Chakko. Aunt baby Kochamma. Mamachi and Papachi, husband-wife. Papachi was alcoholic, abusive and beating his wife regularly. This couple has 2 children, Ammu and Chakko. Chakko went to Oxford for study. There he met Margaret and has one child named Sophie. After a few years, Margaret divorced Chakko and marries to Joy. Then Chakko returns to Aymanam and take care of his family business of pickle. Ammu marries to Baba, who was alcoholic, abusive and beat her regularly. They had 2 kids, Esther and Rahel. Ammu leaves Baba when he proposed her to sleep with his boss. Now Ammu, Esther and Rahel and Chakko, whole family is in Aymanam. Now story goes back to period of 1969 when Communist Party was in the getting strong. As we all know, communist things and the sports poor well, being so they wanted to destroy Ammu's family as they were rich landlords. Chakko, after hearing the news of death of Ajoy, Margaret's second husband, invited Margaret and Sophie to Aymanam for vacations. Now whole family goes to receive Margaret and Sophie to city a day before and watches Sounds of Music movie. In theatre, Esther frightened after seeing an orange ring seller, and then Rahel took him in a boat to their history house. Another character starred Velutha. Velutha is a young man of a lower caste working in their pickle business factory, and Ammu got attracted to him and they started to have a relationship. Then one day Valutha's father comes to Mamachi and requests for marriage of the Valutha and Ammu. But Mamachi and baby Kochamma opposed there. As Valutha was from the lower caste, they locked Ammu in a room. Then Estha and Rahil decided to run away from the house to their history house along with Sophie. But the boat overturned. They both swam to the shore, but unfortunately Sophie drowned. They both were frightened and sleep in their history house. They were unaware that Valutha is also present in history house. On the other hand, the baby Kochamma goes to the police station and tell lie to the Thomas Matthew, that Valutha attempted to rape Ammu and kidnapped Estha and Rahel. Inspector Thomas sent 6 policemen to nab Valutha. They caught Valutha and beaten him badly in front of the Estha and Rahel and locked him to jail. Later on, Inspector Thomas Matthew realized that Valutha is innocent and it is all baby Kochamma's game plan. Now baby Kochamma asked Estha that to save your mother Ammu, you should say to police that Valutha killed Sophie. On that night, Valutha succumbs due to injuries caused by beaten by the police. Ammu tried her best to save the Valutha but failed to do so. Now baby Kochamma said to Chekko to sack his sister Ammu out of house because she tried to save Valutha, who killed your daughter Sophie. So Chekko threw him out of his house, and so Estha has to go back to his father Baba, where Rahil was living with his mother Ammu. So these brother-sisters are separated 23 years. And after 23 years, Esther returned to Imanam. Esther was sacked out of so many schools during this period, and their mother Ammu died when they were 11 years old. Rahel married to an American man who lives in Boston. Now she was divorced and came to know that Esther is also in the Imanam. So she also came back from America to India. So the twins Esther and Rahel met back in 1993. So many events happening during their period. Mamachi was also died and baby Kochamma was watching TV whole time with her cook. The history house converted into a 5-star hotel now. In the past 23 years, they both never came across a single person who can understand their feelings as they both can, and they both had sex at the end of the story, and this novel ends. I hope you understood the story very well. See you soon for more video. Till then, bye.